In this Sonauto AI versus Suno AI comparison, I'll test vocals, instrumentals, prompt accuracy, and overall production quality to find the winner. Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's start with Sonauto AI. After logging in, enter a prompt describing your song. For this test, I'm using the same idea on both platforms. Emotional cinematic pop song, powerful male vocals, piano intro, deep drums, and a catchy chorus. Generate the song, and Sonauto handles the lyrics, vocals, instruments, and overall structure. One thing I like about Sonauto is how simple the workflow feels. You can generate full-length tracks without spending much time configuring complicated settings. Now let's test Suno AI. Open Create, enter the same prompt, choose your lyrics, or let Suno generate them, select the available music model, and click Create. This is where the quality difference becomes noticeable. For vocal quality, I give Suno the advantage. Its newer models produce sharper vocals with more expression, and voices generally sit naturally inside the mix. For instrumental quality, both are impressive. Sonauto can produce surprisingly good arrangements, especially considering how quickly you can go from a prompt to a complete song. But Suno generally gives me a more polished, commercially produced sound. When it comes to creative control, Suno wins again. You have tools for editing songs, separating stems, uploading audio, working with voices, and customizing your sound. However, Sonauto has one major advantage: simplicity. If you just want to enter an idea and quickly experiment with complete AI songs, the workflow is extremely beginner-friendly. So, which has better song quality? For my test, Suno AI is the winner. Sonauto AI is impressive and definitely worth trying, but Suno currently has the edge in vocal realism, production polish, and overall creative control. That doesn't mean Sonauto is bad. Depending on your prompt and genre, you might actually prefer some of its generations. If this Sonauto AI versus Suno AI comparison helped you, like the video. Subscribe for more AI music comparisons, and I'll see you in the next one. Based on the results I compared, Suno currently gives me the better overall sound, but music quality is subjective, so your preference may be different.